Hello everyone, welcome to your daily angel message. Today angel message is regarding financial abundance and career. Take a moment to center yourself. Choose card 1, 2 or 3 for your message. Trust the universe guidance. Carry this wisdom with you today. Blessings to all. Thank you so much for watching Reiki Heals India.